Alright, today we're back and this is going to be an unboxing. It's a 20 volt HART impact driver kit. This one has the extra battery included, so it comes with a charger, 2 batteries, and then the impact driver itself. When I was out at Walmart, I noticed that I was looking at the batteries, and these batteries, they were selling for almost $50 a piece. So in this kit, you get 2 of them and the impact driver, and it was $69. So I've been wanting an impact driver for a while, so I figured I'll try it, see how I like it. So let's just dig right into it, see what all comes in here. And they do all kinds of tools. So right on the top, you have your charger. And then let me move this up a little bit. There we go. You have your 2 batteries. Got your other battery. The tool itself. And then instructions on how to use said tool. So that's everything that comes in the box. No bits, no nothing like that. So we're gonna get this charged up and then end up using it. It does come with a bit. My lovely assistant just showed me that. And it has a bit holder in the back. I'll use this till it's wore out. I have dual bits that I use for everything else. So that's it for the unboxing. Any questions or comments, let me know down below. And thanks for watching.